Page 23, this is Prelude number 2 at the bottom. 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. We're still in the key of G major. Make sure you can do the G major scale and all that junk. 4/4 time signature. This time the right hand gets the melody and the left hand gets the 8th notes. So 1 hand at a time. Right hand, you're starting here. And it's here. 1, 2, and second measure, then my 3rd finger. That's because we're going to be in this position for a while to accommodate the F sharp. There's other fingerings we could use. I mean, I could stay here and just cross over for the F sharp. But I like the idea of using different fingers on repeated notes anyway, and we need the practice, so why not? 1, 2, here, 3rd finger. And then it's your 2, 1. So we change positions. Because if you've been doing the scale, this is a piece of cake. And then you reach up with a little finger. Reach up again. 2 and 3. So 1 and 2 and 3. And then come down. So we end up in this position. Yeah. Left hand's broken chords with G chord. And last 2 measures. You're coming up, you have a rest, you got time to here, and then here, and then here. That's fine. Put the hands together. Right there. Make sure you can get that okay. Right there again. Oh, it didn't sound good, didn't it? So you put the hands together. Then go back through and get rid of the hesitations. I take it a little fast, but you take it your speed. Keep it nice and slow is fine. Then we think about the articulation. On the left hand, just connect it all. There's nothing really given for you. Just connect it all as best you can. You got to lift up for the rest, but otherwise. Right hand, you have phrasing. Lift up. Lift up. So here. See, I'm lifting up here, but I'm holding that down. Again, I'm lifting up here, but I'm holding that down. I'm connecting that. Get the idea? Dynamics. Well, here are the melodies in the right hand. Soft, whatever you think piano soft is. Left hand's got to be very soft. And that's hard to do sometimes because when you're very busy in the hands like you are here, the broken chords, you'll just naturally want to play them louder. They'll just come, it just happens. But make an effort, listen very carefully to play these left hand notes very soft. We want to hear the right hand. And the right hand is soft. Would you like me to stop interrupting and just, okay. Now measure 5, you're going to go up to about a moderately soft and back down. So soft. Here, that's moderately soft and come down. Back down to soft. The P, in my opinion, there at the end, the piano, belongs under the 1st quarter note where the end of the hairpin is. That you can be soft there. The left hand's out of the way. And watch out here in the rhythm here, measure 6. That's a quarter note. That's a half note. So rest. So that 1 beat, that half note's by itself. So and the last part here and here, I want to hear the right hand. That's still melody. The left hand's got to be very soft. That's hard to do, but it's good practice. It's good to get this kind of control. And you can practice this kind of control when you're practicing the scale, because you can do the scale at soft, medium, and loud. And you can get crescendo going up or crescendo going down and practice all that stuff doing the scales. You're not just playing the scale up and down, okay, I'm done, let's go on. You practice all these other little things using the scales. That way you don't need other exercises to play to learn this stuff. Just use the scales. Speed, well, Andante is a nice. See, that wants to go one speed, and then this wants to, that's going to slow it down a little bit. So it's got to be sort of a balance between the two. But let the melody control, really, on how fast you're going to go. What does the melody feel like? Now, once you get into it and start feeling it, you may feel some other dynamics. You may feel other things. Do what they're telling you to do, but they don't tell you everything. It's like on the third and fourth measure. I feel a little swell going up to the G sharp. Now, I exaggerate it so you can hear it, but I feel that, so I kind of play it that way. Just a little swell. That's called interpreting the music. It's called getting into the music and feeling the music. That's why everybody plays it different, because they feel it different. Some people don't feel anything at all, in which case they're just playing notes. And you can usually tell when they're just playing notes, because that's what it sounds like. I watched a video of a little girl, a prodigy, was playing something on piano, just lickety-split. Notes all over her. So she was doing great. And I put in a comment, well, she sure plays a lot of notes. And I don't know if they'd pick up on it or not. The point is, all she was doing was playing notes. There was no music. She wasn't really into it. She couldn't feel anything. It was just a bunch of notes. And as she gets older, I'm sure she'll learn to start feeling and expressing the music. Let's play this together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Two and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and done.